Yeah, these are the components. So I made a dedicated module just for the postcodes live view. So this is build states table, where I'm using build states table, this one. And when we going to, yeah, this is the table of that, the state wise listing of pin codes. If you see that, yeah, you can see that here. So the moment we click on any of the state, click on this one, it changed into a district table. Let's see what is happening here. This is a reusable component. On the click, so phx click, I'm just pushing js push state, and these are the values I'm passing, state and the name whatever we have selected. Let's see how that came. The handle event state, this is the params. Based on this params, I am acting on this, I'm catching that event here and getting state wise. Let's see what is happening inside the state wise. So here I'm running a raw SQL code here, because the SQL is so efficient uh, on doing database related queries. So here, this is how you will run the raw SQL code in Ecto. So select ID and districts, count of pins. So this is how I'm getting this pins. If you see here, total post offices, this is the total post offices in this particular district. I'm getting that from here based on the state. So this is the state I'm giving, I'm interpolating the SQL code, and I'm passing that here $1, and I'm passing that value to the query function within a list. You can pass as many as possible in this list, but you have to be careful by while giving this the $1, 2, like that. And go to the components. Yeah, so that is the state table, and move on to the district build district table. So here district of the state, if you see that district table, yeah, district of Assam, and the districts, this is the post offices total. So here this is again a reusable component I made, that is in the bottom. I'll show you. This is the district and total post offices, that is what here, district and post offices. And this is a stream. If you see here, this part is very important when you wanted to use the streams. So this is the stream whatever I'm assigning. So here I'm assigning state, I'm assigning those under the districts streams, right here, district pins, that is coming here. So I'm passing this one onto this one here, build, where is that, district table. So I'm passing that here, you can see that. So the streams always under the streams name, and this is again a button. So this is a table body and table raw, and this is a for loop. I'm just giving the district name and pins. That is how I am constructing it here. If you see that, yeah, name and the pins, and this ID is needed for streams to work. The ID is here, this one. So streams make use of that IDs to identify each uh, element, and this the ID of the table body is very important. If you give the same ID to other streams, there is a chances they can get collide or misbehave. And build post office table, so where I'm using that build post office table here. So this is I'm using in three places. So one here, so one here, and another one here. So they have a the stream ID, event name, and a name. If you see the UI, let's move on to this any of the district. This is the post offices of Baska. That part is here, the name, the post offices of the district name. I go to the component. So here the name comes here, and the headers, post office and pin code. This is one, and again I'm passing the stream ID as a parameter within the assigns, because I'm reusing same component. So the IDs should be a unique IDs across that live view. And this is a for loop, and this is a table head button, because if you see, this is a button and this is a not button. Actually underneath I'm using same sorry, different one. So here I am passing the name of his name and values. If you see uh, values, I'm passing from, yeah, I'm one second, because this is a reusable component. mm, that is how I'm passing the value through value argument. Let's see what is this table head button is doing. Yeah, this is a table head button. If you see here, this is a button, HTML button, and under phx click, some js push. This is the event name, and these are the values. So this is how I'm passing the values to the button, and this is the pins. These pins, so they are not clickable ones. That is why I made is button false. And see the post office, build post office. Again, this is a table. This is a single table. When you click on any of this one, click that one, yeah, this is the table, and it has a post office, pin code, state and district, and the values. You see here, district, state, pin and post office, and respective values here. And again, they are not clickable. If I make any of this a true, it becomes a clickable one. And this is a T item. I'll show you that. And again, you can see the post office is in same pin code, the same. Where is that? Here, this one, this component. Let's click on, yeah, let's move back to code. And T header is this one. This is a th table header HTML tag. I'm just giving the name. And T item, table item. So these items are this ones, the values in this table box is this one, table item. So here again, if it is a button, this button will be activated. If it is not, it will be just a name. This is how I'm conditionally invoking the HTML button or a name. Yeah, and this is a phx click and js push, the districts. That is how I am getting that, the district here. And yeah, and these are the upload components. I already explained this in previous videos. Yeah, this is about coding. I think I have covered all the parts. Yeah, I'll leave a link to this code in the description section. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.